Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this playlist, I'm going to cover navigation related topics. Okay, so in the present current video, I'm covering the bottom navigation bar related things. Okay, and second thing, if anybody want professional training and support, just please call below scrolling number. Okay, right now. In this video, I'm going to create the project from scratch. Okay, just I'm see here I'm creating one folder here. What is name? You can give like a YouTube, so it should be small letters. If you want any separation, you can use any underscores. Okay, YouTube underscore bottom underscore navigation navigation bar. Okay, like this. So I can mention like a navigation bar underscore project. Okay, then I'm opening this folder inside Visual Studio, sorry, VS Code. So I'm opening like this. Okay, see now. So from scratch, I told you, right? So here I'm opening the terminal. I think here you need to go to here, new terminal. So automatically it will come. Okay, then what you need to do now? So you need to use the command called flutter space create space dot, so that it will create the setup files related to the Flutter inside the current folder. If you don't keep a dot, it will create a new folder. Okay, it'll ask you to create a new folder. So I want the specific current one. See here how it is creating. You need to wait. I told you, right, from basics onwards I will cover it. It is not so I am creating this project in front of you. Okay, right. So start. Right now, if I want to run this project, just what we need to do. So I need to go to lib, then main dot here. Just you need to always, when you want to start a project, you should be here. Okay, after that, here the windows is there, right? Just click on this. Here just select the Chrome. So I'm not using emulator here. Okay, so because this is the concept, I'll from after second video onwards, after second or third video onwards, I'll show you the how to open the emulator also, as it will take time. I'm using the browser itself. Okay, as you know, in the Flutter, not only we can develop the Android apps and iOS app, we can develop the web apps also, not websites, web applications. Okay, right. So if I want to start here, when I selecting the Chrome here, then I need to go here. See here, you can start debugging. You can directly click on this button also. Now it will open the new browser. See, it is launching. It is saying, right. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comments. Okay, I'll try to cover those things. I'll reply to that. No issue. Sorry for as I'm busy with the support and other trainings, I'm unable to create videos in between. I'm little free now, so that's why I'm creating the videos again. If you are happy, what is called seeing this video, just click on like button and please try to share these videos to your friends, so that it will give big motivation for me. In this playlist, I will cover maximum navigation related items. Okay, see what is the by default the demo code you will see here. Okay, to wait. So it'll take a little time. Yes, see if you click on this plus, by default means this code is given by the Flutter only. Okay, this is a demo project. Okay, now what I'm doing, I told you, right, I will create from the scratch. Okay, I'll go to this explorer button, and what I will do, see here, there is a by default this main app will be there. This is my app. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, okay. So if you want, I'm collapsing this my app also. It is the my home page also there. Just I'm removing this my home app also. Okay, I will by using my app only to. Okay, as you know, so by default Flutter app will call the main method. Okay, inside that it will call the run app. It is run app is provided by the this Flutter framework itself. Okay, so it will call the my app. This my app is a stateless widget. This my app. Okay, so it will return one method inside one lifecycle method is there, that is called build. Okay, it is building one material app project. So here inside this there is a home properties there. To this only we need to add the widget. Just for sample sake, I'm uh, adding text widget. So like a test testing purpose. Okay, it will show some blue line. Don't focus on that. Just I'm saving. We'll see in the browser what this should testing purpose should come. It's coming or not. We'll check it. Right? We got right. Right. Now what we are doing here. See, I told you right. We are focusing now bottom navigation bar. Okay. So bottom navigation bar here I'm go to controls. Okay. Bottom navigation bar. So here I'm going to explain you about the things. So here I'm going to so this I already told you right, bottom navigation bar. Okay, right. So bottom navigation bar. First, before adding bottom navigation bar, I'm creating one initially stateless widget. Okay, which it has a name called, I'm giving like name called like a home widget, home screen. I can give like a home screen. Okay, we'll see how we can create. Then, so because for bottom navigation bar, we need to convert this home screen into stateful widget. Stateful widget. So we can ask like question, right? Why initially only we can take like, so in this process I want to tell you how to create a stateless widget, how you can convert easily into the stateful widget also. It don't needs much more time, just 1 second only. Okay, I'll show you in that way. Why stateful widget is needed means I already told you right. For changing of any variable, if we change any variable value means if we are changing any value to assign to any variable, we need to show that result in the UI. If you keep in that variable values changes in the stateless widget, it will not be visible. So we are converting that into the stateful widget so that we can show the output of that variable inside the UI. Okay, right. Now, so where is the which is our folder project folder, that is a lib. Here I'm creating one folder file called home underscore, should be always small screen screen dot dart dot should be there. And the thing is, so before entering into this project, almost you must know some basics about the Flutter. Okay, if you need any Flutter things, just go to the my previous classes are there, you can go there and verify them. Okay, right here. So after coming here, if I want to create a screen, I don't need to write code from scratch. Okay, I can like for example stateless stl, so automatically it came right. Automatically right. Here in the build section, just I'm writing one text card. Okay, text widget I'm called. I told before I am everything is a every widget is an object. Okay, keep that in your mind. Okay, I'm writing for testing purpose home screen. Okay, here I'm going here. Here I'm writing like a home, sorry, home screen. Okay, see, I'm checking any name is different. So home screen. Okay, that's why it is not coming. It's fine. So we need to import that. So you can see here the import line. Without this, it will not work. So I'm saving this just where we can test now in the browser. Should be visible like a home screen. Right? Home screen. Right. Now, I told you right here. If I want to use the bottom navigation bar, okay. If you already know, bottom navigation bar contains. If you see here, see there will be these are called bottom navigation bar items. Okay, if I change one item to another one, if I tapping on item 1, item 2, item 3 like that, so we should change the top the loading content. Okay, so for that we need to store some values, and we need to change some values belongs to the any variable storing word as any variable. So we should according to that we should load the data inside the content area about top area. Okay, so for that that is only possible by using the stateful widget. That's why I'm converting this into the stateful widget. How we can just I need to make click here, keep the cursor, I need to use click on this bulb icon, just convert to the stateful widget. Automatically converts, you don't need to do major job. It converts back right here. Should be appear like a one app screen app or everything. So we should not use, we can't use like a normal widgets. Okay, here we can use like a scaffold widget. Scaffold. Okay, inside that I can use app bar. I will also explain that in detail about the app bar from in the next sessions. Okay, app bar. In this I'm mentioning about the title. For the title I'm adding one text widget. So here I'm writing like a home screen. Okay, home screen. Then like a, so body means like a content area. So I'm writing like a text, so text widget. Here I'm writing like a content area. Content. Okay, I'm saving. Let's see now how it will do this. You can decrease the size and also you can see. Okay, content area. Okay, now we need a bottom navigation. For this already property is there, just we need to know, that's it. BOTTOM bottom navigation bar. So here it is mentioned it needs widget, it does not need any. We need to assign a widget. Okay, what is that? Bottom navigation bar widget will be there. See here second, this one. Okay, so you already know these, the total thing is called bottom navigation bar. In this these are called items. Okay, so for that what I am doing here, there's a one property called items will be there. Items. Okay, it is a list. So inside this we need to add like a more than one, means two or three. We need to add item. These are also widgets. Those are called bottom navigation bar item. Okay, here you we can add like a icon. One property we can add like a icon widget. We need to add icon slash home, right, for okay. Can consider next label also we can add label here mentioned like only string, so we don't need to add like a widget. So quotes home, okay, like that. So second one, I'm like writing like a about, okay, about us, okay. Third one is like a gallery, so we can change gallery like I can like people view. So some okay, yeah, that's I need to keep some calm, okay. Just I'm saving. You can see here how it will be visible in the browser. Clear. So it is like a about us and it is like a gallery. Those are visible like right. So gallery is like I can keep like this. Okay. Here add a photo. Here as it is a gallery. Here I am writing like a people dot automatically it will suggest you don't need to remember everything. Some icons you need to know down. Okay. Right. So these are like, so I think now you are able to see the bottom navigation bar. So here now my concern is if I click on some icon, the content should change. How I can change? I'll show you now. So for that, first I need to create some list of widgets. So list of what I need, widget. Okay, you can give any variable name. I'm giving like a widgets. Okay, here I'm adding one text widget like it is like a form. Okay, so, so three navigation, sorry, bottom navigation of items are there, right? So we need to keep three. What is the second one? Second one belongs to the about us, right? So I'm keeping like this one, about us, and third one, gather. Okay, so I need to load this. Uh, So as I need to load this based upon the item on which we are clicked. Okay. So for that, what I need to do first, I will show you first this widgets. If I want to load in the bottom navigation bar with first one, what I will do to see. So set of zero. Zero means you already know. Zero means the first widget will be loaded. One means this first will see the home will be loading or not. See, home is loaded, right? Now if I keep this as a one, second one will be loaded. See here, but it is not right what we are expecting. When we click on the bottom navigation bar item, these items, then only should be visible. So then for that, what we need to do is, I told you for that purpose only. So we when we click on somewhere, value should be changed, right? So when we change that, we should replicate those changes in the UI. That's why we changed this state less widget to the stateful widget. Okay, right. Now I'm creating one variable called current with nav index. So it is int, right? Int means integer. So initially I'm using 0. Okay. So I'm keeping this instead of 1, keeping this. So initially 0, right? That's why home will be loaded. This is correct, right? I'm saving, just I'm showing to you. See, home. Right. But here when I click on this or about us or gallery, corresponding widget should be loaded. For that, any event should be there. Here one method is there called on tap. So on tap one method. Okay, inside that by default one property, one parameter will be there, that is called index. So when we click on any navigation bar item, this will be called. Click means on tap. Okay, on tap of any navigation bar item, this will be called. So when we are what is called on tab, when you're clicking on this, so automatically what you will get, for example, if I'm clicking on this, the index belongs to this is like list 0, second one 1, third one it is a 2. So those indexes will be passed here. Okay, then now so I need to, according to that, I need to change this current nav index, right? So current nav index equal to index. Okay, see, it is not correct, that's I know, but I'm telling you how should be there, what we are expecting. Okay, see, if I click on this also, actually background the value is changing, but it is not what is called visible. When I click on about us, it should be visible, right? About us, but it is not happening, right? Okay, so what should we do? We need to tell this state full widget to change the value is changed. For that we need to call one method called set state. Set state. Okay, inside that one anonymous function will be there. Inside that only we need to add this variable. Any variables if you want in the state change should add inside this curly braces. Okay, then I am saving this. We'll check it now. See here by default home. If I click on this, about us will be loaded. If I click on gallery. Some extra things I'll explain here. If I want, for example, the background color should be changed. Background color. So colors dot indigo. Save. See the color is changed. But these icons are not visible, right? For this, what you need to do, see, there will be under some properties are there for selected and unselected. You can mention for selected ones. See, selected item color. So I am adding when I am selected should be white. Colors dot white. Okay. See here, selected is the color is all already selected item color. Okay. See here, when I am selecting this, actually the voltage is changing, but here it is not changing. Why? Why? Because you need to tell to this bottom navigation bar widget also what is the current index. Because if you tell this, if you give that information to this bottom navigation bar widget, then only it can highlight that navigation bar item. So for that you need you must add one property called extra parameter value called current index. Into this you need to add same variable current index, then only the bottom navigation bar will know, and according to that it will highlight that navigation bar item. Okay, see here now, click this, see, so automatically the color is changing because this navigation bar item know what is the current index by adding this property. Got right? I thought it is very clear for you. Okay, if you have any doubts you can mention the comments. Okay, and if anybody needs personal training or support, professional training, it is not a normal, you'll get like a you can develop any app. Okay, after this training, got right? So any not only Flutter, you have if you need any training in other tech stack also, if you need along with that Flutter, you need, if you need backend also, you can call to this number, we'll get more inputs. Okay, thanks for seeing this video, signing off.